Hi, I'm Deborah. Today I'm going to show you a resource from my music teacher's digital library, a game I wrote about my dog, Brodie. This game is really great for working with semiquavers and having a lot of fun in your music classroom doing so, but it's also really great for the 2/4 time signature or duple metre. There are heaps of resources here in the library to support you with Brodie, but let's get making music. Learn and practice the actions individually in a standing circle.
Ready, running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running in the park, it's fun, you know. Running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running, but it's time to go.
One student stands inside the circle facing out, performing the actions with the partner they are facing.
Ready, running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running in the park, it's fun, you know. Running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running, but it's time to go.
The two partners swap places, then the inside person takes a step to their right and performs the actions with the next person in the circle.
Running in the park is Brodie, Brodie. Running in the park is fun, you know. Running in the park is Brodie, Brodie. Running, but it's time to go. Running in the park is Brodie, Brodie. Running in the park is fun, you know. Running in the park is Brodie, Brodie. Running, but it's time to go.
This time, the person in the middle takes one step to their right at the end of every phrase, swapping places in the circle with the person they perform the last phrase of actions with.
Ready, running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running in the park, it's fun, you know. Running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running, but it's time to go. Running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running in the park, it's fun, you know. Running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running, but it's time to go.
Add a level of difficulty by having more than one person in the inside circle.
Ready, running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running in the park, it's fun, you know. Running in the park, it's Brodie, Brodie. Running, but it's time to go.
Thanks for watching. If you liked that resource, there's plenty more like that in the DSMusic Music Teachers Digital Library. To make sure you don't miss any of these new videos when they drop, hit the subscribe button below and check out what else is on my channel. If you've got any suggestions for videos or resources, please get in touch.